Most of us spend our lives under lighting that feels like an afterthought. It is usually too bright, too yellow, or just plain boring. That is why this new circular ceiling fixture is such an interesting addition to the smart home world. It does not try to be a piece of art. It is a clean white disc that is designed to disappear into the architecture of your room. It is subtle and understated. The real magic happens when you actually turn it on. Instead of a single harsh point of light, you get this beautifully diffused glow. It fills the room evenly. There are no weird shadows or hot spots on the floor. It is a soft, high-quality light that feels premium from the moment it hits the walls. If you are already using the most popular smart lighting ecosystem on the market, this light is going to fit right in. It hooks into your existing hub and shows up in your app instantly. You get the full suite of features that people love about this platform. You can set schedules so the light mimics the rising sun. You can create routines that dim the lights when it is time for bed. It even supports the latest connectivity standards that help different brands talk to each other. This means it will talk to almost any other smart device in your house without any friction. For those who are just starting out, you might need a central bridge to unlock all these features, but that is a small price to pay for this kind of stability. The range of light is what really makes it stand out for daily use. You can transition from a sharp, cool white that helps you stay alert during the workday to a deep, warm amber for the evening. It is like having a different room for every mood. You can dial in the exact tone to match your needs. This is not just a gimmick. It actually changes how you feel in your space. Cool light makes you feel productive. Warm light makes you feel relaxed. Having that control at your fingertips is a game changer. Installation is surprisingly easy for a high-tech fixture. It is designed to work with standard residential junction boxes. You do not need to call in a professional or buy a bunch of extra tools. The mounting hardware is straightforward and well-designed. You can have it on your ceiling and send to your phone in very little time. Now, we have to talk about the price. It is not a budget option. You're definitely paying a premium for that brand name and the software support. You could find a cheaper smart light at a hardware store, but you might struggle with a clunky app or a light that drops off your connection every other day. Here, you are paying for reliability and a polished experience. The integration is seamless. The build quality is solid. If you value your time and you want your home to look its best, the investment makes a lot of sense. It is about creating an environment that adapts to you. It is about more than just avoiding the dark. It is about making your home feel more comfortable and more functional. This fixture delivers on that promise with a quiet, confident style that is hard to beat. It is a solid choice for anyone who wants high-quality light without the headache of a complicated setup. It is refined, reliable, and exactly what you would expect from a leader in this space. It is an investment in your daily well-being that pays off every time you hit the switch.